Right, hi there, welcome back. Okay, day 2 of this little project to turn our Balti dish, curry dish, into a helmet stand. And I think it's quite a good idea from the beginning. 3mm thick, food grade stainless steel. Tough, really nice piece of steel. And I'm going to use that, I've got another one actually, I'm going to do another one later on. But for today, this is part 2 of what I did in my time yesterday, in your time back on Wednesday. I've split it this way. I split all the videos throughout the week like I do because it gives us time in between to do all the admin, answer your messages and do other stuff that we need to do to run the channel. I'm sure any of you run a busy channel know exactly the same thing. There's a lot of work that you don't see on camera. So anyway, this is part 2. I'm going to get this done today. I've got to put the legs onto the base and then put a spreader in the middle to hold them for stability, and then find out a way, a decorative and smart looking way to connect that to the top of it all so the helmet sits on that and it's then job done. Right, so that's too much chat. Let's get on with it. Wish me luck. Right, the first thing is to address these. Obviously, they're a little bit sharp here and there. I did sand them off, but like all this stuff, like the sprockets as well, I've made them so that they're yummy and soft to touch because it is going to be, it's going to have crash helmets put on it. They have cloth linings and I don't want any catchy corners that are going to catch and tear or snag the inside of any of the crash helmets that I might put on it or another person who buys this might put on it. So, as these are the legs that will go all the way up into the crash helmet, these are more important than anything. So it's a little bit of fun and games first. Run the sander up and down that to take all the sharp corners off, and then the polishing wheel, where is it? The metal polishing wheel, that's like pieces of Scotch-Brite on a flat disc basis, and that will smooth everything off and get it so you can run your hand up and down it without any issues. Free on that. Let's go. was the spacer. I put the spacer in there to hold the arms absolutely perfect, because over the full length of the welding it just curved very slightly, but now it's burned in there forever. Right, well, a project like this is never really finished until you've thrashed on it enough to really be happy, and I'm not yet. I've got a few things I want to do. I want to get right down inside with the drill, and I've got some little wire brushes, little tiny wire mops, and I'll get all of the weld scale and soot out of it and make it really nice. I've also got to source the correct something that I'm going to put over it. I could just lacquer that, literally I could just clear lacquer it as it stands and make it all shiny silver, I don't know, but I think lacquered bare metal always looks exactly what it is, shiny lacquered bare metal, and there are some really cool contrived patina products out there that you can paint over something. It's all steel, mixture of mild steel and stainless steel, mostly stainless steel, and I'm going to have a little look on the market at what's available, and I think something like that deserves the right thing. I want a slightly greyer, slightly more metallic gunmetal kind of look, and not so shiny satin as well. So I'm going to have a look around, and that will be for something later for a different project. Anyway, that's the structure finished after part 1, part 2. It wouldn't look any good, and it wouldn't be any good unless you saw it with the crash helmet on. So let's put a lid on it, and at the same time give you a little clue, a little heads up, a little sneaky peek at the paint scheme that I've got planned for the fight build. Let's go and give it a lid. we are, little sneaky peek of the future paint. I'm saying nothing yet. And I hope you enjoyed the project. That was a two-part project. The next one I'm going to do is going to be something else for use with bike clothing like this, but not another helmet stand. And I'm going to do my damnedest to make it one video. So we'll do that for tomorrow, which is Sunday. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you enjoy the next one. I hope you enjoy all the videos. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe. We'll see you next time.